So are you heading to Disney Vacation Club, Copper Creek Villas, and you want to see what a deluxe studio looks like? Well, stick around. We're going to take a look at the one we stayed in right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. We're going to jump right into this video and start taking a look at this deluxe studio here at Disney's Copper Creek Villas, co-located with Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Right inside the door here, we're looking at a small closet where you'll find an ironing board, plenty of hangers, some extra bedding, as well as the in-room safe. As we move further into the room here, the first thing we're going to notice is this small kitchenette. This one's actually quite a bit smaller than most of the others that we've seen, but you do have everything you need: microwave, refrigerator, and a set of small appliances, as well as your paper plates, your paper cups, all that other stuff that you need, and some coffee to get you started. Something else we noticed here that was pretty interesting and also pretty handy was this kind of slide out pantry area. Slide that out, you buy any cans, buy any food, any snacks, you can put them in there and you can slide that back in. Great place to hide that stuff away. You also do have a fridge here. It does have a fair bit of room in it. Across from the kitchenette, you're going to find the bathroom. This was actually a pretty nice bathroom here in this villa at Disney's Copper Creek Villas. Do have a single vanity and a shower and toilet off in a separate room. Beautiful tile in the shower, and you're also going to find your Disney's H2O toiletries here in small bottles. No pump soap, shampoo, or conditioner on the wall. Now as we head out into the main living area, you're going to have your queen-size bed with 2 nightstands, one on each side. Not too big of a bed here. This is kind of the one thing we're disappointed about with Disney Vacation Club Studio Villas. Only queen-size beds. We're much more used to king-size beds in all of the other villas that we stay in with Marriott, with Sheraton properties. And if you want to see other timeshare properties outside of the Disney Vacation Club system, I have a whole channel filled with all kinds of timeshare properties around Orlando and around the world. So be sure to check it out. Hit that subscribe button down below, click on that notification bell, and you'll also be notified whenever I post new videos. In the villa here, you also do have a small breakfast table and 2 chairs, and a handy coffee table that kind of unfolds into something that I guess you can store some stuff in. Really don't see too much utility in that, but it did look kind of neat. Now before we head outside, let's look around just a little bit more. Now let's head out and take a look at the patio here. We were on the first floor, but we did have some nice views out to the pool area, even though we might have been lacking a little bit of privacy. But 2 chairs and a small table, just a nice place to come out and relax, maybe with a cup of coffee in the mornings. Okay, so there you go, the deluxe studio here at Copper Creek Villas at Disney's Wilderness Lodge in Orlando, Florida, Walt Disney World. Are you headed here for your next trip? I want to hear all about it. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Disney Vacation Club, check out this one right up here. And YouTube, you know what? They think you're going to like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.